MiniTower cam lock upgrade. This tends to, when you've got the scope mounted, come loose quite easily. There is an upgrade option which looks a little like that, but it's £50 UK. I don't really want to spend £50 on this, so I've decided just to make my own version. Simple enough to remove this. Unscrew that retainer. Cam lock then just unscrews. Simple enough. There's your two parts. These are the M6x1 that I intend to put in there, and hopefully that should then give me enough leverage to rotate it. MiniTower altitude lock knob upgrade, which is this part. Parts required: drill, tap holder, M6x1 tap, metric, 5mm tapping hole drill, hammer and centre punch, verniers for measuring the centre of the splines on there. Oh, and I've used M6 by 1mm pitch, or 0.1mm pitch with a locking nut screws, because I'm not going to spend 50 UK pounds on some little knobs that stick out. These will just effectively thread into there, and it'll just give you more leverage when you're actually trying to tighten up this lock. Right, procedure. Using your verniers or a tape measure, mark out the centre of one of these lugs going across here. Using the dot punch or something to punch a drill start, punch a hole or punch a mark, whichever the terminology is. It's a soft aluminium material, so it drills through no problem whatsoever. I've obviously pre-drilled these. Using the 5mm bit in my DeWalt, I've just basically drilled through. Simple enough to do. I've drilled all the way through, so you can see what I've come through, and then I've run the M6x1 tap through each of the holes. I've got a little bit of marking on there, but that's where I've clamped it a bit tight in the voice, but I'll clean that up. It's a simple enough fix to improve the strength of the cam lock. Just put one of these in. These then just thread in, and you've then got your lock nut, so when you're tightening you can push against that. Okay, I've just screwed all four in to show what it looks like once it's on. And I think it'll do, just give me something to leverage against, because I do find with the MiniTower the scope does tend to come loose. There is a more expensive upgrade kit, but at the moment I'll try this and just see if this helps. Okay, assembly once done. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. It was a little bit rough when putting it in the vise when I was drilling it. A little bit 4 foot would have been useful. Simple enough, put back together. Cam lock back on. And just spin him in. Lock in for the extension bar. Back on. And that's the result that you get, which I think is quite good actually. I can feel now that when I've put my fingers there I can get quite a bit of torque on that, just to pull it in and loosen it again. In fact, I tightened it, but I couldn't have long loosen it. It was that good, the amount of torque I put on it. So to stop the scope, which is down there, from actually moving around now, and hopefully it'll track better. Well, I hope that's useful anyway. Simple enough mod, but it just saved me 50 quid. These obviously just lock off, and that's it, done. Hey presto.